Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word vignette. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She wrote a short vignette about her childhood memories of summers spent at her grandmother's house. A vignette is a short, descriptive piece of writing that captures a moment or scene with vivid detail, often focusing on a particular theme or character. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.